Well guys, I think it's about time to move all of these suckers out. They're all getting pretty decent big. I don't know, they don't know how to drink out of that route. When they see this thing, they go straight for it. Super, honestly, very friendly. I don't know, they're kind of aggressive too at the same time. They're pretty sick. I might leave them out here. I just need to worry about the hawks. If one of them gets taken by something, I'm putting them all back in the barn. And then getting cages for all of them. So these are all my breeding project birds. Well, that's about it for this one. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.